In this video I'll be discussing question number 19. Now to answer this question I'll be using the same database that I used in the previous two videos. Now as the first question over here, I've been told that two new students have been admitted to grade 11 of this school and their details are listed in the table over here, and I've been also told to enter that information into the student table. So for that also I'll be using ADSQL to add the data graphically. Now to add data I need to click on this plus button over here. Now I need to add these two rows. So the first name will be Amandi and the last name will be Vijay Singh. Now the second person will be Natasha Vimalasena. So now once after adding these two rows, this is how the table will look like. And now in the second question I've been told that the student with this index numbers last name should be changed to Moses, and I've been told to write the relevant SQL query for that. So for that I need to go to the query section, and now I need to type in update query. So first of all I need to type in update, and now I need to tell which table I'm going to update. In this case now I need to update the student table, student, and now I need to type in set, and now the column that I'm going to update, in this case it's the last name column. And now the value that I'm going to replace it with. So over here I've been told to replace it to Moses. And now I need to tell it to update the student who has this ID over here. So for that I need to type in where student ID index number equals, and now the number of that the index number of that student, and now I only need to execute it. Now once I go to the data section and refresh this, you can see over here that it has been updated. So now in the third question I've been told to update Natasha Vimalasena's contact number to this. So I need to go over here again to ADSQL and type in another update query. So over here I can use the same update query that I typed in earlier. All I need to do is change the column and the value, and after that whose information that I'm going to change. So first of all I need to reset this to contact number, and now I need to give the number that I'm going to reset it to. I'll just copy that and paste it over here, and now I need to mention whose contact number I'm going to update. So I need to change this data over here as well, but for that now in this case I'm not being given a student number over here, so I need to find that student with using their first name and last name. So I need to type the query over here like this: first name, and I need to give the first name of that student, and over here her name is the first name is Natasha, and the last name is Vimala Sena. So now after writing the query like this, I need to execute it. Now after executing it, I need to go over here to the data section, and over here you can see at the moment the contact number is set to this. Now once I refresh it, it has changed to the contact number that I just set over here. So now in the fourth question, I've been told that Natasha Vimalasena has transferred schools before the first term examination, therefore remove the information about the student from the student table. So over here I need to type in a delete query and delete that student's information. So for that I need to type in delete, and I need to mention which table information I'm going to delete. So I need to write in student over here, and next I need to tell whose information I'm going to delete. So I need to type in where first name equals Natasha. I'll just copy paste it over here, and last name equals Vimalasena. So now once after typing in this query, I need to only execute it. Now once it has been executed, I can go over here and refresh it. At the moment you can see that the last row over here is still here. Now once I refresh it, the last row has been deleted. So that will be the answer for the fourth question. And now in the fifth question, I've been told to find out all the details of the students in the school. So for that I need to go back to HDSQL and type in a search to find out all the details. So for that I need to type in select, and now I need to get all the information of the student. So I need to type asterisk, which also means all, from the student table, and now I need to only execute it. And over here you can see that all of the information of the students have been shown over here. So that will be the answer for question number 5. So now in question number 6, I've been told to find the marks of mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So over here I'll be typing select, and next since I need all the marks of the students, I'll be typing mark from, and I'll be giving this table name over here since I need all the marks from this table. So student exam mark record where, and now I need to mention which subject this mark should belong to, and also the term that it should belong to. So I need to first of all mention the ID of mathematics subject. So subject equals, and now using brackets I need to type in another search query to find out the ID of the mathematics subject. So select subject ID from subject table where subject name equals mathematics and let me just first break this from here. And now I need to mention the term that these marks should belong to. So I'll be typing exam term ID equals, in another bracket I need to type in a search query to find out the ID of the first term. So I need to type in select term ID from exam term where term name equals first term So once after doing that I need to only execute this query. So the moment I execute it, you can see that all the marks have appeared over here. And now in the 7th question I've been told to find all the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in Sinhala language and literature subject. So for this question also I can use the same subquery that I used for the 6th question. All I need to do is change the subject to Sinhala language and literature and leave the term as first term. So if I go back here, I need to only change the subject name. I'll just copy paste this over here. And now after doing that I need to only run this query, and over here you can see that the marks have changed and I've got only the marks for Sinhala language and literature. So that will be the answer for question number 7. And now in the 8th question I've been told that Amandi Vijay Singh has entered another school from this school before the first time examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore remove the information of this student from the student table. So over here I need to type in another delete query, and for that let me first erase this and type in delete from student table where first name equals and last name equals so this will be the first name. I'll just copy paste that over here. and the last name will be Vijay Singha. So after typing this query, I only need to execute it. Now once after executing it, I need to go to student table, and over here in the last row you can see that the student's information is still there, but now when I refresh it, it has been deleted. So that will be the answer for question number 8, and that also will be the final question. So that's all I've been asked to do in this question. So that's all for this video.